Quick reading for January the 21st to the January 22nd, Leo. So we have the Page of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Page of Wands. Sabihin natin either past or present or probably yung sabihin natin somewhat future. Hindi pwede natin sabihin future na pwede rin naman na kakausapin ka. You might be dealing with several people who's going to talk to you. Um, Siyempre, yung iba sa inyo nag-aantay na yung iba na makausap itong past nila. So it felt like kikiligin or probably mabibwisit. Meron naman din nag-aantay ng probably not so future or yung current na apple of the eye nila. It felt like medyo maguguluhan lang tayo kung sino ba ang uunahin, no? When it comes to probably setting up a date or sabihin natin sinong unang kakausapin, sinong ipa-prioritize. Meron kasi tayo ditong somewhat tinitignan na rin, no? Pwedeng natin sabihin another prospect. Hindi naman natin inaasahan yung past na magre-reach out. But yeah, yung pwede ka ditong mapagitna sa nag-uumpugang bato. So this is your quick reading, Leo, for January the 21st to the 22nd.
Predicting future is my purpose.